Can anyone hear me? This is Captain Veronica Dare. My beacon is active. Need immediate assistance. Someone, please respond.
Looks like someone will have to get it.
They've got me cornered. I'm low on ammo. If you can hear me, I'm on sub-level 9. News station...
Alarm! Intruder! In tunnels!
trapped.
Do it, Virgil, now!
Construction ahead. Expect delays.
I'm gonna die, you hear me? Thanks, Trooper. They almost had me. Been trying to get down to the next level checking my team, but this stack is locked down tight.
Welcome. Access granted.
Huh. Guess you have Buggers! Look out! What's wrong with you, Virgil? You trying to get me killed?
Warning. Hitchhikers may be escaped convicts.
Can't see a damn thing. You go first.
Now I see it.
Son of a bitch. Guys. Fuckers got all You're going down to level 9 too. Huh. Guess I could use some backup.
Welcome. Access granted.
You hear that? Buggers! Down on your level! Oh no! They're up here too! Coming out of the damn vents! Get back! No! Ah!
Crime doesn't pay. Restricted entry. Can you get down here? Jim, something's wrong.
Buck? Who knows if you can hear me, but I'm sorry. I should have told you more about this mission. More about everything.
Welcome. Access granted.
It's you. I thought... Never mind. What was your name again? Inside, now! This way, and stay quiet. Some idiots blew the building at the top of the shaft. Woke the whole Hive. Down there? That's the superintendent. The AI that runs every system in the city. My mission... Our mission... is to secure the superintendent's data. Problem is, there's only one way in from here. Right through the Hive. It would have been suicide to go alone, and I was hoping for more backup. But I guess you're it. You've been solo since we dropped. Fighting on the surface? Unless you spent all night hiding in your pod, you must know your stuff. Show me. I got your back, Trooper. Keep moving. Thanks for saving me. Again. Additional contacts. Lost my target. Here, Trooper, through the door. We'll have to jump. Oh!
Don't lose him.
Something tells me you're not actually a robot.
Ah! Oh!
Hostile reinforcements. I'd hide from me too. It's getting warmer. We must be right under the Hive. Head across the bridge. Let's see if we can find a way up. Trooper, through here. I found an elevator. Come to me.
Elevator up. Next stop.
Bugger Central. Additional contacts! Let's stick together. Move fast and sharp. Damn, here they come. We can't go back. We have to keep pushing through. Good shooting, Trooper. Keep it up. We're almost there. Follow me. I see a way across. The data center's close. Phantom inbound! Won't be long before they smash through that door. Let's take them out, now!
Open this door, traitor!
All dogs must be kept on.
Hostiles!
By the prophets, you will pay for your insolence!
Not bad. You do know your stuff.
Welcome. Access granted.
Nice and slow. Check your corners. Don't shoot. We've seen them before on other ops, but we've never gotten this close. Best we can tell, they're prisoners or slaves. Either way, they don't like the Covenant any more than we do. I spotted this one in the tunnels. Watched it access comm lines, security cameras, traffic controls, you name it. Eventually it'd hold up here. Oni calls them engineers. Believes they're some sort of biological supercomputers. If I'm right, this one has taken the superintendent's data and combined it with its own. Everything we want to know about the Covenant, what they're looking for under the city, is right in here. Damn! Buggers must have raised the alarm. Buck!
Veronica? Where the hell are you?
Data center, but we're coming out.
We?
No time to explain, but do not, I repeat, do not shoot anything pink.
Whatever you say, just come on!
Those brutes are here for the engineer. They'll kill it if they get the chance. You, stay behind me, okay? The engineer still has shields, but they won't last long in a firefight. Take point, clear a path to Buck.
Down there!
This is our exit, rookie. Head through the door. About this asset, feel free to fill me in whenever.
Not now, Buck.
Whoa, easy does it, rookie. Door's locked. Damn.
Don't worry, we have a key.
I've seen hundreds of these things today. Why is this one so important?
This engineer knows what the Covenant's after. If I could safely capture more of them, I would. What they know could win the war.
Oh.
You haven't killed any of them, have you?
No! Well, maybe one or two.
Nice work.
How was I supposed to know? Elevator, come on.